Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session and calls number 328-325. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Cody James Patterson. Let the record reflect that Cody James Patterson is present in the courtroom. Turn that camera toward him, toward them, the audience. We need to see both. Also, he's gonna stand up and won't be able to see his head. No, it's called. I received a message from the jury that it has reached the verdict. Will the bailiff please bring the jury into the courtroom? Everyone, please stand. Everyone you may be seated. Let the record reflect that the attorney for the state, attorney for the defendant, and the defendant and all the members of the jury are present and seated in the courtroom. The full person. Have you reached a verdict in this case?
Yes, sir.
Is it one that is agreed upon by all the jurors?
Yes.
Would you please hand the verdict form to the bailiff? Mr. Patterson, would you please stand? We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of driving while intoxicated and blood showed an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more at the time an analysis was performed. Does anyone need the jury to be polled?
No, we don't have to state it.
Okay. We have the letters? Yeah, the letters. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the defendant, as we stated in the voir dire, has elected to go to the court on punishment, which means he's gonna go to the judge on punishment. And it is customary that the court will order that a pre-sentence investigation report be done by the probation office before sentence is set. And that usually take we usually give them about 30 to 45 days to get us all of the information that we need before we can assess punishment in this case. So at this time, I'd like to thank you for taking time out from your busy schedules to be here to serve as jurors in this case. So on behalf of the citizens of Jefferson County, behalf of the staff here in County Court at Law number 2, we'd like to thank you for taking time out from your busy schedules. Now, the bailiff have some letters that he's going to hand out to each and every one of you. The district clerk's office is closed, so you can't go over there now and get any excuses. But what do they have to do? They have to come back tomorrow? Or is there a number that they have to call? Okay, we're going to find out the information, because if you need something from the district clerk's office, our court coordinator is going to get that information to you. The attorneys may want to talk to you in the hallway. You do not have to talk to them if you do not want to. If you want to talk to them, you can. And as I always say, normally I usually give each every one of the jurors a handshake. but because we still under the pandemic, I'll give everyone an air handshake, okay? So again, thank you for your time and attention. And the bailiff have the letters for you. We're gonna get that information from the clerk's office. Does anyone ask me? Yes. Yeah, who is the foreperson, sir? What's your name? Gabriel Graham.
Thank you, GR.
So they're not answering. So, ladies and gentlemen, of the jury, bailiff have some letters for you. And if you would like to, you can talk to the defense and the prosecution or the attorneys if you desire to. If you do not, you do not have to. So at this time, you're excused and you have a blessed day. And maybe you could get in contact with the district clerk's office on tomorrow.
We get a reset date today.
She's gonna give you a reset date. You give them about 30 to 45 days. It takes time to, and there is a
Okay.
quarter bill